Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. I'm sure everyone has a certain song he likes. It might be because it reminds them of a certain somebody, or because it elevates your mood while driving, enhances your riding performance, or even helps you sleep better. There are just so many reasons. But today I want you to add the following reason to liking music, which is because it gets you paid. And I'm talking around $50 per hour, and you don't have to be a rapper like Drake or a songbird like Beyonce or even a pop star like Justin Bieber to make money off music. All you need is a fully functioning laptop or a smartphone with internet access to start raking in some cash immediately. And the other good news is everyone is welcome to take part in this platform I'll be showing you today. It doesn't matter where you are right now, as long as you have internet and you are human, of course, you are good to go. But I just want to send out a quick warning that you have to take note of all of the steps I'll be teaching you, because if you make one misstep, you'll probably earn $0. So to take care of that, you need to watch the video till the end and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want more methods of making money online without capital. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. Alright, so the first website you're gonna visit is Spotify.com. So today I'm gonna show you how listening to music on this platform can get you paid. And let me clarify that Spotify is not the platform that is gonna pay you, but we're gonna use it to get paid. There's a platform we're gonna combine it with, which I'll show you as the video continues, so stay tuned. So what I'll be doing for the better part of the video is I'll be helping you create a brand new account here on Spotify. Just so you know, it's free of charge and you can either use your Android phone or laptop. Now, according to my research about a couple of months ago, I found out that you can score something like $500 in just 24 hours if you play your cards right. Because it's also true that some don't even earn a cent since they go about it the wrong way. So just make sure you follow my lead to be on the winning side. So now if you're using a smartphone, let's say it's an Android, you'll have to go to Google Play, whereby the address is play.google.com. Or you could just go on Google and search Google Play, then it will give you the correct address which you will click on. Another thing I want you to take note of is make sure you download the correct application, because there are some music applications that might sort of confuse you, and also if you have an iPhone, you can get the app from the Apple Store. Now what you want to do is you want to create an account here on Spotify by clicking on the sign up button on the top right of the home page, where you'll be brought to a page like this. So here you'll be able to sign up using your Facebook account, your Apple account, Google account, or if it so happens that you don't want to use all of these options, you can come with your email address, whereby you also need to set up your password, enter your profile name, your date of birth, and then tick on the box that verifies you are not a robot, and then go ahead and click on sign up. Now once you are done, you'll be able to access your brand new Spotify account, and when you take a look, you'll see there's plenty of songs available here, which makes it the biggest free music streaming platform in the world. But what makes it easy to work with is that the songs are properly sorted into categories, and those categories will help you see which type of songs will make you the most money and which songs will make you the least money, so you can make adjustments going forward. Now let's say you want to listen to a song. Let's just say you want to play this one, for example. You will click on the song's picture, it will start playing, or you will just go to the song and click on the play button and the song will begin to play. Okay, so one thing you will learn is how to create a playlist. So you'll click on create playlist on the left, and that playlist will make you tons of money. Now you might be asking yourself how a playlist will make you a lot of money. So what will happen is you will sign up to be a music curator on the platform that will pay us and start making money with those playlists. So with that said, you can be a music curator by first listening to the music on Spotify and then create a playlist from it. Now let's just say you are done with creating the playlist and you have listed all the songs in the correct order. You will submit them to the platform I'll be showing you, and you will start earning a passive income from the platform, and you'll be paid for every playlist you hand in. So it's wise to hand in more playlists to get paid more. Okay, now the submission rate for the platform goes as follows. If you submit 199 playlists and below, you will make no money, unfortunately. But once you hand in the 200 200th one, you will jump from 0 to 100 British pounds. So as you know that 1 British pound is equal to 1.4 US dollars. Now when you do the math, you will see that 100 pounds is equal to $140. Now as you can see right here, the highest earning is 800 pounds, and when you convert it to US dollars, that's $1,120 for submitting 2,500 playlists. What you can do to earn even more money is to repeat the process over and over with this method I'll be showing you in just a moment. And please give the video a thumbs up if you are excited about making money with this new platform I'm about to show you. Now let's head over to a website called musicgetaway.com. Now this is the platform I was talking about from the beginning that will pay us. We will make Music Getaway work hand in hand with Spotify in order for us to get paid, so stay tuned to see how. And I promise you it's so beginner friendly, it's just that a lot of people are not aware of this strategy. With that said, the sign up process on the website is kind of tricky, so I need to help you with entering the right information on the forms so you don't get stuck and frustrated. So now what you will do is you will click on where it says join for free, and then you'll be redirected to a page like this. So here, like it says, curator, influencer, and playlist submissions application. Now you will scroll down a little bit, and on the first line it asks you what kind of person are you, whether you are a music blogger, radio presenter, Spotify curator, etc. So we are gonna go with the first option, which is Spotify, and disregard the rest. Now all you have to do is go through different songs and then come up with a nice playlist and then hit submit and make money. Now Gateway is asking you to fill up the forms below, and they promise to get in touch with you in no time. So now the first thing to do is you have to enter your email address and your name on the second box where it asks for the curator name, and you'll obviously select Spotify where it asks for the source of your content. Now where it says how many submissions do you receive in estimation per week, so before you answer that, you'll have to bear in mind that less than 200 submissions will not earn you a dime. So what you'll have to do is create some time for yourself, because no matter what, you need to hand in 200 submissions to start making money, and you can turn this into a big income stream because you will send 1,000 playlists and make a lot of money. Now right here you can choose which genre of music you will accept, and the options available are pop, dance music, hip-hop, rock, jazz, and others. So what I will advise you to do is click on as many categories as you possibly can, because that will add the money that you are going to earn. And then after that you can skip the remaining questions because they are optional, and then click on submit. So now once everything has been sealed, you can skim through the songs on Spotify and arrange a playlist and then send it to Gateway. Now here on Spotify, I want you to focus on all of the categories that match the ones that are on Gateway. For example, the hip-hop category. So when you search for hip-hop, it will just give you a few hip-hop songs, but the moment you click on see all, it will show you hundreds of thousands of hip-hop songs to choose from. So what you will do is you will create a new playlist by clicking on create playlist on the left, and then you will add songs from this hip-hop genre to your playlist. And then as you keep scrolling down beyond your playlist, you will see plenty of suggested hip-hop songs of which you will add to your playlist, and then after that you will click on your library and then go and click on the hip-hop playlist, and then just like that you have one submission complete. Like I said, you will need more than 199 submissions to start earning cash, so it's best to get right onto it. And if you want other strategies for making money online for free, make sure to check out the rest of the videos from the channel. That's it for today. I'll see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.